Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this 10.4-inch NEC screen from 2 CCFL to our UB54 series. This LED kit comes with the LED strip, driver and wire adapters. So let's take a look screen. This screen again is made by NEC. The screen part number is NL8060BC26-28. Again, NL8060BC26-28. It's 10.4-inch screen. Just like other any screen, it's really easy. You know, there's a plate, plastic plate. You push it down, and grab the wire. Just pull it out like this. Okay. So take it out. So we're gonna take out the lamps. Just cut off the tips that protecting the wires. So okay. Now you loosen up this wire and remove this end first. Take it out. Alright. So this thing's not flat, so we're going to add the piece of tips and make sure it's 6 flat. The LED strip 6 flat on the bottoms. So I usually use double side tips and just cut a really small piece. Show you. Oops. Okay, so we put it this end, so we're gonna put it on this end. Okay, this side, this side. Okay. Okay. So then we're gonna put it in and show you later. Oops. Yeah. You see? Now it's sitting flat. Okay, basically you just slice right back. Okay. Use wire, tip to secure the LED wires. See this? That's it, it's done. So basically this one can connect to either connectors because the one LED strips, and then you just connect your existing inverter wire harness to this because NEC is using a 8-pin, this one's using 9-pin Molex. So you just disconnect, remove your inverters and mount to back the same location any way you want, and then connect your existing inverter wire harness to this end. That should be fine. Okay, thank you for watching.